conversation about junk foods and healthy food.
Hey, the lecture's just over. Let's go. And have something at the cafe. What? The cafe? Yes, the cafe. Let's go. Come. No, I am not coming to the cafe. But why? Because I don't like eating food from outside, and it is not healthy. That's why I don't want to go to the cafe. Who told you that the cafe's food is unhealthy? Isn't it obvious? Why do you think it is obvious? The cafe's kitchen looks so messy and dirty. I just can't imagine how bad will the food be. Oh God. The food has more fat content, less essential nutrients. There are more added sugar. Most of it is fast food. Almost all the food items give a long-time health issues. I am not going at all. Oh, you should not miss the cafe's food. You won't experience such kind of food after you finish your education. They make such delicious food. You must try them. You won't get such a delicious taste anywhere else in the whole world. No, no. They don't even wear gloves while preparing the food, and who knows whether they have washed their hands before cooking the food or not. You can't be so sure of the food eating from famous restaurant. You are right. But I don't eat outside food. Even I don't go to eat in famous restaurant. Even then, I love cafe's food. Okay then, you can go and have your cafe's food. I will have my healthy food. Okay, you have your food, but you can at least come with me to the cafe and have your food there. Is that fine or not? Don't get so dramatic now. Alright, as you wish.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.